Oh, Adib, that was fast. Adib, what's good? What's good? What's good, Adib? What's deep? What's good? What's good? Let me just add the Discord here real quick, Adib. Thank you for joining, Adib. Appreciate you. You're the first one here, man. You are the first one here. That is some GOAT status stuff, bro. Shout out to you, Adib. I'm going to turn my screen in a second. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right, let me switch over now. What's good, guys? What's good? Let me show you guys my screen. All right. So you guys, I've had a rough morning. I was trying to tell Marcus, my computer, because they're doing construction work around here, guys, my system's been getting shut off. I literally just entered this trade like just now. All right, guys, super quickly. So, you know, hopefully it hits TP. If it doesn't, it is what it is. But that's the trade that we got going on, guys. So Mr. R, what's good? What's good? What's good? It's one of those mornings where I'm just all over the place, to be honest. So I apologize if today things are a little sloppy, but we'll see how it goes. I've entered this trade here. Hopefully we can hit TP and get back to where we were before. You don't want to see price playing around in this area. You want to see it going directly to your stop loss. Sorry, not your stop loss. Imagine that, to your TP. Oh, got my other account here. I was trying to set this up, guys. Like I said, I trade a lot of different accounts, and literally this morning, because they were doing construction, I think they're messing with the power. The power keeps going like on and off. My computer keeps shutting down. So by the way, if this, for some reason, if this live stream shuts off, okay, it's because they keep working on the power. All right, guys. So just bear with me. It's just one of those days, man. It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. So, you know what I mean? We have to just be patient and see what it does. Okay, let me show you guys the setup I'm looking at right now. It's just this. It's literally just this, guys. Came to our zone, price to chase to my level, hopped in for a trade. All right, so hopefully it goes where it's supposed to go. Guys, if you're here, hello, Show. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? We're in a trade right now. Let me just leave it here for you guys to see. And we'll see what happens. We took a bad trade yesterday and lost. This is a more better, like if God forbid, let's say this trade doesn't play out, I'll feel better about this than the one I took yesterday, because this is my setup. You see what I'm saying? So traders side by side trading in the hood, feel all right. Oh, you know what? Maybe we should start off with some tunes. Might as well. Might as well. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. First off, good morning, everybody. Good morning, all my lovely people, all my lovely pineapples out there. Good morning to you all.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
All right. Good morning, lovely people. Let's see if we can find the song that Marcus was referring to. Let's see here. Let's see here. Come on. Bro, I have so many files, bro. If I ever show you guys will laugh. I have so much space on my computer, including an external drive, and still. So. Bro, look how much I have to, look how far down I gotta scroll. Okay, I think I found it. Nope. Nope. Oh, here it is.
Cities buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right. Trading in the hood, alright. Corners busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go. In the hood trading game. Every face knows your name. We ain't looking for fame. Just trading in the hood all day. Deals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Goals and dreams all collide. People working working side by side, hope and hustle never hide, trading in the hood with pride. Sun goes down, street lights on, still the grind it carries
Guys, it's
on.
coming back to our
Trading till the
entry.
break of
That's not a
dawn.
great
Hood's the
sign.
place we all belong.
Not a great sign at all. We shouldn't be playing in our entry at all. At all. And look how tight my stop loss is. If it goes anywhere close to this, hopefully spread doesn't take us out, but we'll see.
In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go.
Alright, good morning, good morning. I do said today. Just you see 12:30 made me hit stop loss in 2 trades I took previously. It's all good, bro. Try not to trade news, guys.
People working side by side, hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with
Nice, Awali.
street lights on. Still the grind it carries on.
No, it's this trade is, look, you can see the profit. We were just up like almost at TP and now it's here. So not a great sign. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take the music off for a second just so we could talk, because a lot of people are asking me questions, so I want to make sure I can hear you guys. But yeah, I sold this trade. We almost hit TP and now it's going back up to this level. So we'll see how it goes. No big deal. What I want to do very quickly is I just want to check what's happening with AUD, JPY, and GPCHF, because I'm anticipating something similar. I'm a scalper, guy, so I just look for quick scalps. Nothing too crazy. I'm not trying to hold this for a 1 to 8. So yeah, let me put this back so you guys can see in real time, because you guys seem to love the live trading. So here we are. Wait. Let me do it like this. There we go. All right, guys. So there you go. There's the cleanest way I could put it for you guys to see. All right, we were. Yes, I sold this trade. Hello, guys. Let's go ranker trading in the hood with pride. Yeah, man. I sold this trade. I mean, that's not a bad sign. I hope it finally goes to TP, because, you know, we need that. We needs that. But I don't like the fact that we were all the way over here and then price went all the way back up here. You guys know me. If I'm like, let's say price left without me and started coming up this way, I would close the trade, the pending order. I wouldn't even touch it, because usually if price is almost at your TP and starts reversing, there's a low chance that it's going to continue down. It usually goes back up and then just takes you out. So we really got to see what happens. And this is bullish pressure. Now, keep in mind also, guys, look at how bullish the day has been, right? For all these pairs, right? We've had massive bullish pressure, but I feel like this zone possibly could do what we need it to do. That's why I'm here. All right, guys. At this point in the trading series, I'm trying to take smart trades, but I also want to take trades so that we can kind of get this, because at this pace, to be quite honest, because we keep risking 0.5, we're not really going anywhere. Every time we take a and I've also been taking some bad trades, so it's not really working. So I'm trying to get this above break even so that we can really just start to push this account. All right, and I'm doing this to show you guys correct risk management. This is how I stay in my funded accounts. This is how I stay in challenges. If I'm in a losing streak, risking 0.5 per trade every time helps me significantly. Okay, so hopefully this, oh boy, the bullish pressure is still strong. Hopefully the selling pressure is enough to push us. We just need to get to here, guys. Once we get to here, we are golden. You know what I'm saying? You guys, please like the stream. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Please like the stream. Give the stream a like. Helps a lot with the algorithm, guys. Helps a lot with the algorithm. All right. So we're just going to be patient. The only thing I like about this trade is the fact that there's some volume. Yesterday, as you guys saw when we were trading GPCHF, there was like no volume. You know what I mean? So it was really like, it was messed up. It seems bulls are in power. Yeah, bro. It seems bulls are still giving us a tough run. But me, the way I trade, guys, you'll see me take my setups over and over and over the same way. I don't care what the situation looks like. When my setup presents itself, I take the trade. That's all. That's how I trade. Simple analysis, get in 1 to 2 scalp. I'm out every single time. I made a dumb mistake today, Ranker. What happened, Ranker? I made a dumb mistake yesterday too. And the day before, and 2 days before that, it happened. Sometimes I was talking to Marcus about this actually. Sometimes your psychology is kind of like just out of whack, and you just don't feel like you should be doing certain things, and you do it anyways. You know what I mean? So it's not a great feeling when you do that. But what happened, Ranker? If you want to talk about it, we could talk about it, brother. It could still go. Thank you, Marcus, for believing in the trade, brother. Adi said, I just hit stop loss in 2 trades, took yesterday because of the news. Yeah, guys, I don't trade news for a reason, right? Trading news is a very, very dangerous thing, all right? And I have strategies that work with news. I've shown you guys a couple times that if I wanted to trade news, I could get some good setups, but I just don't want to teach myself certain habits. It's why I don't trade news. See what I'm saying? So, morning, foreign money and chat. Yo, what's good, Phil Hoffer? We missed you. It's been a while since we seen you. The best visit is going to hit TP. Amen, bro. If it hits TP, we're going to sing congratulations and have a great time, guys. Got a trade taken out by NFP today. Going to have add code to ignore first Friday of every month. Yeah, bro. This is what happened with my bot. I had to make some tweaks because I let it run during news. And I quickly learned that the first news event, it was crazy. I got like a wicked trade. The next 2 news events were brutal, right? So I'm like, okay, I gotta really be careful. I started making some tweaks right away. So it happens, bro. Now, what other big news are there? The FOMC, CPI, and NFP. Those are the news events that I know of that just really ruin the market and just make people, you know what I mean, lose their accounts in a day type thing. Guys, I don't like the way, like, I'm getting nice bearish pressure, but it's fighting so much with bullish pressure. And it's probably because of this gap right here. Okay, let me switch to trading view real quick so you guys can see. Real quick. Real quick short. Okay, what I feel like is happening right now is that price is respecting the life out of this gap. Oh, we're going down. Maybe I spoke too soon. But this gap right here is causing massive problems right here. This is the challenge I'm seeing. Look at all the wicks in this area, right? So if there's a time for me to like close the trade, it should be here. But guys, you know me, man. I let it hit TP or stop loss. It's got to be one or the other. It's got to be one or the other. Where are we at right now? This is a 1 to 3, 1 to 2 right there. All right, so this is where we're at. Let me switch it back so you guys can see. I just want to illustrate that for you guys. All right, guys, so we're almost at TP when this goes through. I just don't like how we have like 10 minutes before our 15-minute candle closes as well. So we need this to move with some strength, because if not, the next candle might start to really push us the other way. You know what I mean? Look at the bullish pressure. It's just so strong. It's just so strong. I hope you did not blow your rent with it. Okay, hold on. I missed a bunch. Shorts on USD CHF hourly looks perfect. Got you. Take a look at that in a second. Where can I put it in the Discord to show? In trading ideas. In trading ideas. Hey guys, what's good? NT Sacco, your form, what's up? What's good, Alan Mug? Hope you did not blow your rent with NFP. You're obviously not talking to me. Because I don't trade NFP. And that's just not possible. A ranker. Sorry to hear the news, brother. You would probably want to include Powell just in case. Yeah. And Powell talking to gets pretty reckless. That's true. I just don't know. Does anybody know when he speaks? I know like NFP is like the first Friday of the month and stuff like that. But Powell, when does he usually speak? I should know this because I trade indices. And with the deep, it's all good. It's a lesson learned. Damn, fam. How was your BDA, fam? Bro, check my highlights. I wanted to talk to you. You said Lambos are overrated. Fauci. I'm like, I was looking for you yesterday. I'm like, yo, where's Fauci at? Fauci told me Lambos are overrated. Fauci, check my highlights. It was on my stories yesterday for like 24 hours. And then my highlights, I added it to my highlights. So check my highlights, Fauci. My Instagram, I'll put it in here for you just in case you don't know it. Foreign. All right, check my Instagram, bro. But I appreciate the birthday wishes. I was thanking everybody for the birthday wishes. Everybody who messaged me personally, Marcus, everybody. People messaged me on stream. Everybody said happy, early birthday. But then people actually messaged me the day of. And Fauci was one of them. So shout out to you, Fauci. Appreciate the birthday wishes, brother. This thing is just playing around, bro. Just go already. Like, you're almost here. Just give me the push I need. I can sing my congratulations song and we can get out of here, guys. We can get out of here. What I need to do is this. I'm going to record this so I can play this later on for you guys. Right? So, yeah, man. Yeah, but Fauci, check my... Oh, guys, hopefully we go to TP. Hopefully. Come on, this might be the push we need. Come on. Oh, my goodness, bro. Gotta love Forex. If it breaks this, it could be a potential runner, bro. Can drop hardcore. Yeah, you're right. If it does, right? How many seconds till this closes? We have... I can't see on here. Let's see. Give me a strong push, bro. Stop rejecting at this level. Bro, this rejection's at these levels, man. They're not great. But let's see. I just need this push toward the downside, and I'm good. All right. In the IG, you looked like you're from Hoodman with gold chain around your neck. I'm not from the hood, bro. I am not from the hood. Fauci said where I can't see it. On my highlights. So if you go on my profile, you'll see highlights. You'll see lifestyle, travel, updates, YouTube. Click on lifestyle. You'll see it there. You'll see my wife's birthday first, and then you'll see my birthday after that. And you guys, I'm going to post a reel today as well. So you guys will be able to see a bit of that as well. So make sure when I post, guys, go show me some love. I barely post on Instagram. I just mostly do stories so you guys can see what's happening in my everyday, you know, day to day. And I try to show you guys some bangers and some good times and all that good stuff. So, all right, guys, this might be the push we need. This might be the push we need. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. I can't see it. Oh, all right, got you. Okay, perfect. 7 minutes, yeah. 6 now, actually. 6 minutes till the candle close. I need this to push down. I need this to push down. If the next candle opens, close now, bro. I'm sorry. I don't do it. No matter how much you guys tell me, I don't do it. I let price go to TP or stop loss. I don't touch my trades, guys. I don't. I know it would be nice to close, but if I keep doing that, I'm going to chop up my risk to reward. I need it to be, I risked 0.5% to make 1%. I risked 1% to make 2% every time. So I appreciate you guys. If it ends up going to stop loss, then it went to stop loss. Guys, I'm telling you, I did not find consistency and profitability until I learned to follow my rules and my system. You have to be able to follow. You've got to be able to follow, no matter how difficult it seems. You got to be able to follow. All right, this might do it. This might do it. You guys, and we're going to be above. If it happens, we're going to be finally above. We can start pushing the account and risking more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We might get a pullback soon. Yeah, we might. I know. I know, bro. I know. We have like 5 minutes left. So it's a very risky area that I'm at. Let me check. Here's what I'll do. If on trading view, it's at a 1 to 2 already. Nope. Still not there. It's even worse on trading view, actually. I think my entry's a little like up here. I think. Nah, that's not true. I think I'm messing this up. My fault, guys. Guys, we're almost there. Let's see. We're almost there. This might be it. We just need one more push towards the downside, and we're solid. If I'm closing that, what would you eat? Bro, I eat like a savage, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Guys, if the pullback happens here, that'd be nuts. That'd be nuts. We just need this one more push, guys. All right, guys, this might be it. This might be it. Here I might close if it starts bouncing around here. Guys, we hit TP. We hit TP. I hit TP on this account, and I have one more account, guys. We hit TP. So, guess what we gonna do, people? We gonna play our congratulations song, ladies and gentlemen. We hit TP. You guys, you saw the other day. Can we get some fire emojis in the chat, people? Some fire emojis in the chat. Some W's in the chat, bro. All right, we hit TP. And I told you guys when we took the other trade the other day that lost, I said, we'll get them on the next one. All right. So for everybody who was in a trade today that won, that hit TP, congratulations to all of you. Thank you guys so much. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Guys, 1 sec. I got to get this.
I am happy for you. gonna stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Yeah. Shoot.
Yeah, I celebrate you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get some on here with you guys. Love you too, babes. Bye. Sorry, guys. I am struggling with this thing. There we go. All right, guys. We hit TP. We hit TP, guys. So now we are officially above break even. This is a good place to start. So now we can start off Monday with a fresh account that is up there. And yeah, so I can show you guys the close positions. This is from yesterday. So this is why, for those of you who said I should close, I need to make basically twice as much as I lost. All right, so we lost 130. Oh shoot, I made less. How much did I risk here? Was it not 50? Oh, for 99%. Man, that's dumb. Anyways, long story short, I need to let my trades do what they need to do. Know what I'm saying? So, yes, sir. Call your wife. Tell her you got it back up so she doesn't stress. I sent the picture in the Discord. Got you. I'm going to take a look at it right now. Look at it. Reverse it. Yeah, damn. Exactly. It happens a lot. I took one of the breakdowns I recently did on the YouTube channel, guys. You saw that I took the trade, and as soon as we exited, it just continued to go right back up. That's why my entries, my stop loss, everything is so like to a T. I try my best, try my absolute best to be very scalper with it. If you're a sniper in here, bro, Blue Lambo was crazy. Yeah, the Blue Lambo was fire, bro. That was the Performante. But the gold spec, bro, had me, bro. The gold spec had me. I'm like, dog, I got to do the gold spec. And I'm so glad I went with it. Here's the thing. I've had sports cars before. When you have, even my wife's car, I bought my wife a Mercedes a couple years ago because she hit a milestone. And I bought her like a sport package. And I kind of wish I didn't for her, because when you buy sport package cars, they're so firm, right? They're good. You know, the structural rigidity is there. It's nice around corners, and it's good for acceleration and drag and all that good stuff. But it's very firm. Tire profile is very thin. You know what I mean? Suspension is very firm, so you feel it. So her car has a sport package and it's firm. The Performante, I knew, gold Lambo for gold trades. Hey, salute to you, Fauci. One day we got to link up, dog. But the Performante I knew was going to be mad aggressive, and my wife was with me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you know what? Let me just do the gold one. Let me just do the gold one. So we did the gold one, and we loved it. Guys, I'm going to post a reel today. Yeah, you guys will see. You guys will see. It was pretty fire. It was pretty fire. So yeah, guys, we hit TP. Oh, I forgot to play the other part of the congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, bro, we are extremely happy.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Guys, look at this. Soon as we hit TP, price is reversing. Let me go back here real quick. Let me see something. All right, so I'm going to, excuse me. All right, guys, so there we go. I was looking for the same type of setup on AEDJPY and GPCHF. GPCHF ended up not really doing much. But this is why I love EuroJPY. It's done me dirty sometimes, but there are some, like, these type of setups just work really well on EuroJPY. So, Fauci's laughing. Marcus Agent for fire. Thank you. Speaking of gold, can we analyze gold? Yes, we can. When we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Let's go. Use this instead. This makes me, I won't lie, guys, this makes me happy. I hit TP on, actually, I want to check this other account, guys. I want to make sure it's still there. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. So anyways, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. The other trade is still in. I'm wondering if I should close it or let it be. Because with this candle, price is moving bullishly. I think what I'm gonna do, I just closed, guys. I just closed that other trade. I'm so sorry if you guys are just not seeing nothing. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna switch back, and then we're gonna look at gold. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Yeah. So let's take a look at gold. I was basically gonna say I'm so happy that we ended off the week like that, because I gotta also write this down. I think it's on Euro JPY that we have this written somewhere. Yeah, right here. Perfect. Let me move this over here. So we are now, you guys, all the dumb trades, if we didn't take all the dumb trades, we would be like either 4 for 4 or like 3 for 4. Okay, so we are now 3 for 5. Okay, and now we're plus, give me 1 second, Marcus. We're going to analyze gold. We're plus like $36.61. Not too bad. Plus, what was it, $36.61? I think that's what it was. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so let's go take a look at gold. All right, let's go take a look at gold. I wanted to take this trade this morning, but I was like, bro, I'm done taking trades that don't match my setup. This didn't match my setup completely, so I just left it. But let's take a look at gold while we can. Let's take a look at gold while we can. I had this trade in yesterday. Remember, I was showing you guys that if price did come to a certain level, I'd want to get in. But I said it was like around here, and I said to you guys, I wouldn't actually take this trade, because if I did, I'd have to make my my stop loss really wide and my TP really wide, and I wasn't confident in this. So, you know what I mean? And thank God I didn't, because look, would have stopped me out and then probably go my direction. Anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening. We have the 15-minute chart here. Let's go down. Let's go up to the 1 hour real quickly. All right, guys. So we can clearly see, right? Up, down. Oops. You guys can't see. Give me 1 second. I'm going to have to do this. All right. This is what we got. Let me change this to black. All right, this is what we got. All right, price was giving us higher highs. Then it started breaking down to give us lower lows. Then it came back up, gave us a higher high, but then lower highs, right? Another lower high and lower. So to me, we're overall bearish. We're overall bearish. But there's 2 points that I want to be very mindful of. You can see right here, right? That something within this region right here is super strong. In fact, let me do it like this. I think this will be easier. Nope, wrong one. All right, something within this region is super strong. All right, so I'm going to be mindful of this, because if price maintains this type of momentum, then we are obviously going for the highs. Here's the reason why, even though this is giving me bearish structure, I believe that we're somewhat bullish. I found out the other day that a lot of banks are going to start investing in gold, because gold has been added as an asset, like a tier 3 or tier 1, something like. Long story short, it's one of the assets that the banks actually are looking at. Like, besides money, that's the place to put your savings and your investments. So gold, I believe, might actually be bullish. But from what I'm seeing here from price structure, okay, we had a high, low, high, boom, right? This is bearish to me. So somewhere in here, we might actually be able to take this down. So yeah, let's see if we can find a sell. Marcus asking for a sell. Let's see, Marcus. Let's be careful here, though. Let's be very careful. Let's put a bearish gap here. Let's go down to the 15 as well and take a look. All right, so on the 15, we have 2. We have 1 right here. And then we have 1 that's already being used right here. Now, guys, I'm telling you right now, anytime I see a recent gap like this, I don't even touch it. I don't even touch it. There's a good chance price will play around this area and not really respect it. What I'm more so looking for is this. So price came here, barely tapped it, and is pushing down. It's not giving me the movement I want. You can clearly see here that unless price breaks this, we really don't have anything solid, to be honest. So I'm actually anticipating, If I'm to guess, that price is going to do some stuff, but eventually end up back in these regions here. And then maybe we can take our trade back down. If I do enter a trade here for whatever reason, right, my stop loss, my TP is not going to pass this area at all. All right. Let's see. When you identify the FVG, where are you placing the trade entry relative to the FVG? At the top or bottom or in the midpoint? So to be quite, that's a good question, Phil. To be quite honest, I'll use Euro JPY as an example. It really depends. Okay. When I'm, wait, are you talking about on the 15, 1 hour, or what time frame are you speaking of? Because I don't really trade with lower time frames, but when I'm placing my entry, basically, I'm looking at a couple things. I'm looking at where price is going to give me the best return, right? So I can scalp and get out. Because think about it. If I had entered, let's say right here at the break of this, remember you guys, at the break of structure is like the best place to enter. If I had entered here, right, it still could go my way, but look where my TP has to be, right? So I look at a couple things and I say, okay, wait a minute. Where can I actually get in with this setup and it'll be fire? Sometimes I look at how market structure has formed over here. Sometimes I literally, do you guys know about MQL? Quasimodo? If you guys know about Quasimodo, let me know. But MQL, literally, the pattern is like, it's supposed to be like the hunchback of Notre, whatever it's called, right? And it's supposed to give you something like this or something like that, right? And what happens is that because it's very skewed like this, that's why they call it the hunchback. But long story short, some people will place their entries right here. Like right there. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes I look at that, not always. I really just look at price action and try and determine my area. I shouldn't have closed that other trade, guys. That other trade would have been, I hit TP here, I hit TP on the other one. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just close it to be safe. And maybe this would have ended up hitting TP. Who knows? But anyways, that's the best way I can answer it for you. All right, Phil. Fam, looks like you busting when you accelerate. My wife was laughing because Fauci, my wife was laughing because I had this muscle in my neck. I was so bro. So here's the thing. At one point I got the car sideways, like I drifted it for a little bit, and then I got in control. So here's the thing with this car. Car is super fast, but it's incredibly light. The Lambo is so light, it almost feels fragile. You'd be so shocked how this thing feels. So what was happening was when I was pushing this thing, especially around the turns, bro, a lot of times the tires weren't as connected on the back end. So it was like I had to really manhandle the car. That's why when I'm accelerating. So here's the thing. I was manually shifting, right? But when I really want to push it, like let's say you just pull the acceleration so my wife can see how it feels, I would put it in auto and I would slow down a bit and then I would floor. When I'd floor it, I'd be in like fifth and it would drop all the way down to second. And every time I would go down into second, the car would do this. So that's why you see me like stiff. My wife was laughing. She's like, bro, you should see your face. I'm like, bro, I have to, or else you and I are going to be in a ditch. You know what I mean? So yeah, bro, we have a blank screen at the moment. Yes, I was just showing you guys something. So bear with me. I apologize. Mark said gold sell. You can show in the stream the picture that I sent. Yes, bro, I'm so sorry, Ranker. You've been asking me for like 20 minutes. I'm so sorry. Let me pull that up here real quick. Trading ideas. Okay, so Ranker. Very nice, Ranker. So I almost made a challenge just for me to blow it. It was because I just woke up and went straight to trading just to finish it today. Big mistake. Bro, you were doing really well too. Oh my goodness. And then what's this? The irony is that after the disaster, I went to my practice account. I made 35K just to show that sticking to the rules are essential. Bro, I'm glad you're bringing this up because this is exactly why somebody told me to close and I said I don't do it. You guys have to follow your rules no matter how much it hurts, no matter how much you panic, you have to follow your rules, guys. You got to follow your rules. So here's the thing that I love about what Ranker is referring to, okay? This right here, you can see 7 trades. Whoa, 7 trades in a day, brother? Ranker, that's quite a lot, to be quite honest. But trade how you trade. If it works for you, it works for you. So 15 trades. And it looks like 3 trades was able to wipe out all your profits. So either you over leverage. Do you use a position size calculator or anything of that sort? Do you have anything that helps you calculate your risk? Because I feel like if you took 3 trades and you lost, if you look, you won 12 trades in a row. 3 trades shouldn't wipe out your account. You see what I'm saying? If you took 12 trades and you're risking even 0.5%, you should be up 6%. These 3 trades, if you're risking 0.5%, should only take you down 1.5%, which means you'd still be up 4.5%. So ranker, please tighten up your risk management. Please tighten up your risk management, because if you had been trading consistently, same size, same everything, you'd be up heavily, because that's a great performance, by the way, because technically you're 12, 15. So you're basically 12 for 15. That's incredible. Your risk to reward actually, or your win rate is 80%. Excellent. You should have passed the challenge, been in phase 2, and probably on your way to funded. You see what I'm saying? So if you really like lock in, bro, you will have great days. Yo, Shakir, what's good? Yo, how's everyone feeling this Friday? We're feeling good. We just want to trade Shakir. I know you weren't here, but I can show you. Right here, we hit TP and then it started reversing on us. I'll do the breakdown later. Shakir is one of those guys who consistently watch the breakdowns and watch the lives to try and actually learn, like, you know, because he's new, and his risk management and his psychology, the way he's approaching the market, I love it. So shout out to you, Shakir. Good job. Yo, Kata, what's up? Long time, Kata. We were looking for you yesterday because I was telling everybody how things kind of went, not left, but like I had some things that I couldn't control over the weekend, and, you know, things with employees and new technology being installed in the business, all that stuff. And everybody's like, yo, where's Dean and Kata? Aren't they supposed to be working for you? And I was telling them that Dean gave me this message about, oh, bro, you know, I have to go visit my mom because my mom, you know, says she missed me. And, you know, so right now I can't really start the job. And then K-Dot, I was like, K-Dot just ghosted me. I haven't seen K-Dot in a minute. So K-Dot, thank you for coming back. You should have been working by now. Your first break is in about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay? You should have been working by now. All jokes aside, partials, TPs probably. What's up, K-Dot? No, it's because of the contract in the future. Oh. But still, though. Like, I try to okay, I mean, it is harder to control. I won't lie. It is a little challenging. Do you trade micros or like the full contracts? Because I trade full contracts. Adib said, what's up, K-Dot? Vanch said, hi, man. What's good, Vanch? You just missed it. We just hit TP. Take time to the basement. Take him to the basement, bro. I don't know about all that still. No one's going in my basement. But Adib, shout out to you, bro. You out for these guys. I joined and then the screen paused. I was so confused, and then I saw that the chat was saying W stream. I just joined the end of. Yeah, bro, we just hit TP. That's why. Wait, oh, you're talking about yesterday. Oh, okay. Yeah, yesterday I called it a bit early because, guys, I'm so behind on work. And when some of my employees got sick, our employees got sick, I had to kind of like go in and kind of save the day. Then we had new tech being installed and people didn't know how to work it, so I had to go teach that. So yeah, it was kind of a hectic day. But right now we are currently, in terms of our trading, K-Dot, we took a loss yesterday, a very dumb loss that I shouldn't have taken. But right now we're 3 for 5 and we're up $36. So we brought the account down from being negative. You can see here the positions from being negative back up. So hopefully on Monday we can start pushing this account, because that's why I took the trade yesterday. I'm like, bro, we need this account to go. We need to start making some money on here. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. All right. Okay, so what else are you guys trading? Marcus wanted us to look at gold. We're potentially, let me set an alert here. Okay, we're potentially waiting for a price to tap this area. All right, price has tapped this area here. All right, sorry. Price will tap this area here. We're hoping that's what we're going to get. AUDJPY just completely reversed. And it looks like UJ, or EuroJPY, sorry, is doing the same. All right, so we will see what happens on other pairs. Guys, like the stream, please. It really helps with the algorithm. Like the stream. Oh, full contracts. Yeah, I trade full contracts as well. 60% win rate W. Thank you. It should be higher, to be quite honest. And I'm not trying to say this to brag. I'm not the best trader at all. Okay, I'm not the best trader. But there are literally trades I took in here. Where's this thing? Yeah, there are literally trades that I took in here a couple days ago that were just, of all the trades I've taken from my setup, they've all hit so far. The bad ones I've taken, those are the ones that have cost me. So it should be higher. But at least you guys are seeing, right? In reality, like if you trade like me, if you take every setup you ever see, you're still going to be approximately 60%. Hopefully we can win the next one so we can be 4 to 6, which I think will be a little bit higher. 4 for 6. But anyhow, This is the reality of trading, guys. I'm not like a lot of people, you know, show you hitting crazy risk rewards, but the question is, how can they maintain it? You see what I'm saying? Can they maintain it? I know a trader who, like, no lie, he does 100K days consistently. But when he shows you his losses, they're nasty work too. 50K loss, 80K loss, 60K loss, 20K loss. You got to be able to stomach those things. You see what I'm saying? So, and it's not, he says it himself that these flips and stuff he does and these accounts that he does, they're not easy. A lot of times you lose heavily. You see what I'm saying? So for me, I just want to be consistent because guys, if I have, let's say, 500,000 or $1 million worth of funding, and I just make, let's call it 4% a month. What's that? You see what I'm saying? 4% a month. It's a lot. So it's just one of those things where if you scale correctly, you'll be fine. If you scale correctly, you'll absolutely be fine. I'm hopping on the chart soon. Got you, K-Dot for money. Ranker said, it's just a dumb mistake, but lesson learned Monday. I will come strong. Yeah, no, for sure, Ranker. I'm not even trying to chastise you or nothing. I was just trying to figure out what you were doing. But yeah, contracts is a lot harder to kind of do risk management. Sometimes I'll enter and like, depending on where I put my stop loss, I could be risking that day 500, 300, 200, 1,000. There was one time I was risking like almost 2K because of where I had my stop loss and also the amount of contracts that I put in. So it is a little bit more challenging. What's it called? Van said, I take Friday also as a holiday because Fridays can take more SL than TP. Here's what I found about Fridays. When I was trading indices, I found that Fridays, usually with indices, especially US 30, will pick a direction. It'll do this before market open. When market opens, happens. If it's going up, it'll just continue going up the whole day. Like literally the whole day, it'll be up. And if it's going down the whole day, it'll just keep falling. So I'm okay with Fridays, to be honest. What's up, brother? How you doing? Javier, I'm good. I just hit TP. I think you were here the other day when I took the loss, so we kind of made it back. The account is back to positive, so that's good. You see what I'm saying? That's really, really good. What's it called? How long was he trading for? Oh, he's been trading. Gosh, when I started trading, he had already been trading for like 3 years, and I've been trading for 4. So he's been trading at least 7-8 years. You see what I'm saying? He's been trading at least 7-8 years. 40K. Yeah. 4% of that would be 40K. You're correct. Right? So you see what I'm saying? Like, and even, okay, let's not even go that hard. Let's say even on a 100K account, 4% means you're going to make 4K US. It's going to be an 80% split. So I think they're going to take 2,400. Let me see. You made 4,000. And you minus 20%. There you go. So, oh, my fault. Not 20. 20%. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So they're going to take away 8 bills, okay, and leave you with 3,200 US. 3,200 US, guys. Let me just show you what that means for us in Canadian. USD to CAD. Look, this is how much 30. So I would be making a comfortable living, making 4% a month. 4% a month, guys, at least here in Canada, you are blessed. I know people that don't make this kind of money. That's all you need. So that's what I'm saying. Like you can see the 1 to 19s and the 1 to 20s and the 1 to 50s. They're great, but all you need is a 1 to 2. And then when you're up like 8%, 6%, then you can say this last trade, I'm gonna hold it, see if I can get another 8%, another 7%, another 6%. But there are some people who can trade like that consistently. That's totally fine. I'm saying for those of you who are new, don't try and aim for massive moves. Just be patient enough to understand that this is enough to feed you and your family if you know what you're doing. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I had to chill with the big RR because it was not sustainable at all. It's not. You guys, I can show you guys backlogs of me hitting 1 to 8s, 1 to 16s, 1 to 33s. You know how often those setups happen? Very rarely. Now I'm working on, you guys, I have so much going on. One day we got to talk about this, but long story short, in the course, I'm trying to put some things in there. I can show you guys which trades have a high probability of hitting those 1 to 8s, but they don't happen all the time. They're very hard to sustain. You'll get a lot of situations where a price will come all the way down, give you like a 1 to 5 right down here and then reverse, or even a 1 to 6, sometimes even a 1 to 7. But those even 1 to 5s are very hard to hit consistently. It's no joke. 1 to 3 to me is pushing it. If you can hit 1 to 3s consistently, you're like the sniper of the snipers, where like you just know where to get in and where to exit. You see what I'm saying? This is a 1 to 3 right here. And that would be sniper entry and exit. You see what I'm saying? So it's you just got to be super realistic about the way. You don't need, people are just so in love with saying, yeah, I took a, like, and no disrespect to ICT traders, they love that stuff. They love, yeah, I took this CB and this BISI and this order block that was counter algorithm, and right, and then they have all these different terms here, there, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But you know what they do? They take like 40 partials on the way down. I don't trade like that. My stop loss or TP, that's it. I don't need to go all the way down here. It's nice, but what's the point of having a trade that goes all the way down here? And I'm closing me, if I take a trade like that, I want to hold it to the end, because if it was supposed to be a 16K trade, I want all that 16K. That's me. I don't want partials. I used to do partials. I was just chopping my risk to reward. It was just nasty work for me. Now, to each his own. Okay, this is not a shot at ICT traders. I'm just saying you see a lot of them, but I'm yet to find ones that are like consistently making money trading like that. I won't lie to you. Okay, especially when it starts to pull back. Hindsight is 2020. Absolutely. K dot is getting addicting. Finally, break even. Glad to hear. Exactly. Finally, bro. Now we can start pushing the. I just want to get the next trade. I want to make another 1%. Once we're at that 1% mark, I'm gonna start risking 1% per trade instead of 0.5. I have addicted. All good now. Oh, bro. He said, bro, good news. I knew it. I had it. I'll share with you. I had this weird dream about your situations. I'll share with that with you off stream. But that is fire, bro. W for Marcus. That's so fire. Hella addicted. All good now. My biggest RR was USD JPY 27R. Messed me up because I was only searching for those. Bro, that's facts. Same thing happened to me. I took a crazy trade. First off, the first time I hit a 1 to 8, that changed my life. Then I did like a 1 to, like I said, 1 to 33 and stuff for that. And I said, nah, I could do this all the time. And that really messed up my trading. It made me miserable because I couldn't find them and I kept losing. I started to think that I can't trade. My strategy doesn't work, a whole bunch of stuff. It was just awful. All right. Those are not great. Fauci said facts. Fauci knows exactly what I'm talking about. He's from here as well. So he knows. Bro, I have a question. The trades I take are $3 to $5, but I put the stop loss at 10 to 15 and sometimes 2. But those trade risk to reward is 1 to 2. Does that mean I'm not following right risk to reward? Correct. Okay. If you are risking $15 or $10 to $15 to make 3 to 5, that means your stop loss is way, right? Like way above. And let's say your TP is like this, or you're not letting your trades hit full potential. To be honest, there's no way. Like, I mean, you guys see me do it here all the time. If I enter here, okay, gosh, if I enter here and my risk to reward is a 1 to 2, okay, as long as my risk to reward ratio is correct, there is no way I could be, it's not even possible mathematically to risk more than I'm supposed to make. So unless you wrote that wrong, Adib, let me know, but that's not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to, when you risk 10, you make 20. You risk 15, you make 30. That's how it's supposed to be. Or else, bro, it would be tough, bro. I don't know anybody who trades like that. There was one guy, and apparently he wasn't actually trading for real. So we'll see how that goes. Shosho said ego. Absolutely. 8 RR, they are like Christmas days. Yeah, they are, bro. There's some times where the other day, you guys probably don't remember this, but there was a time where I came onto the stream and I was so upset because I missed that 1 to 4 RR trade. Like, you guys will rarely ever see me say I'm taking a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. And if I do, best believe I'm so confident I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit type of thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm really, really like willing to risk it. I only take 1 to 4s or 1 to 3s and above on super confident, as in, nah, where we're at right now, this thing should, like, if it was one of these where I was expecting to go down, from wherever I entered, my stop loss would have been like, my TP would have been somewhere here. Even this is too far. But like, if you see me take positions like this, I'm confident. I'm super confident this thing is going there. You won't see me taking on Jenki. You guys, you remember when I first started, those of you who were here early, what did I say about this trade? Because everybody's like, yo, are you selling here? I said yes. And I told everybody, guys, this is one of those, I just want to scalp. I don't want to hold it longer than I have to, because this area, the chances of it continue to going down, I'm not too confident in. Why? Because look at how bullish we've been since what? Since my birthday, okay? Since my birthday, we've just been going up and up and up and up. And it's filled this entire gap, okay? It's filled this entire gap, and it's been breaking highs. So the chances of this going all the way down, especially with a gap like this, there's a chance it might explore this area and fill it, but I don't want to find out. I'm going to take my 1 to 2 and get up out of there. That's it. That's it. He said risk it for the biscuit. I recently started hedging my trades, and I found that it is actually quite profitable. Yeah, there's another trader that trades like that. If you know what you're doing, hedging it can help you really. Here's the thing about hedging. It's incredibly, if you know what you're doing, you can really manage your risk. But if you don't, and your psychology is not there, you will hemorrhage your account and absolutely wreck it. Fauci's laughing. Why not just make a profit target for the day? In terms of what, like how much I want to make for the day, if that's what you're asking, I don't trade like that at all. Because you guys, the market will give you what the market wants to give you, and it's not always going to do what you want it to do. Some days it'll just do its own thing. Some days it'll just do its own thing. You got to take what the market can give you. I wanted a 1 to 2 because I looked at the probability and said, remember guys, trading is about probability. Let me ask you guys a question. Based on what you're seeing here, right? And here, okay, and here, just based on everything you're seeing here, what are the chances? I just like my things to be symmetrical. Cool. What are the chances? Let me just type this out here. Oh, what is the probability that price will go down? All right, guys, what are the chances? What's the probability that price will go down? Okay. Everything is chance. It could be, let's say, 80% chance. What's going on here? Oh, it's white. Why is it white? Let's make it black. There we go. 80% chance. There's an 80% chance, let's say, based on this, that price will continue upwards. And maybe there's a 20% chance, right, that price will go, let me do this, that price will go down. All right. Now, this is just examples, okay? This is just for an example. So when we're trading, all we're trying to figure out is what's the chance of price continuing upwards, and what's the chance that price is actually going to go down. This is how I trade. Now, I know the chance of price going down really strongly from here could be, to me, it's lower than it is higher. You see what I'm saying? Because we've been very strong. But I know the chances of price hitting this level at least is closer to 80% than it is to go to this. You see what I'm saying? So that's trading. You're looking at probabilities. You're looking at what are the chances. When you enter a trade, what's the chance? When I'm up here, I'm asking myself, what are the chances that price is going to go down from here? I think it's a high chance. So I'm looking for my setup to tell me, yeah, this is the one, and get in. It didn't, so I left it. But you can see it gets into this area, pushes down a little bit, and now it's coming back down. Maybe it might come all the way down here. Who knows? Okay, gold. We're looking at this in terms of chance. What are the chances that when we enter this region, price might give us a nice risk to reward, and we might be able to go down a little bit? There's a high chance. It's why we take the trades. We're looking at probability. I used to get people in my comments section all the time, why are you selling here? We're in an uptrend. Buddy, worry about you. Okay? Like, I do what I do because of my experience, my strategy, and how long I've been trading. I will sell in an uptrend and buy in a downtrend because I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a long time. You see what I'm saying? I go based off of probability. And because I'm scalping, I don't need the whole move. I don't need all of this. You see all of this here? I don't need this move. I just need literally from here to about here. I'm out. I'm good. Chasing this is not the greatest thing. All right. There we go. Adib said, what I'm trying to say is every time I take a trade, my stop loss is not the same. But if I risk $1, reward is 2. And the stop loss is bigger than the trade I take. Oh, so it's your entries then. Your entries, you have problems with your entries. So it sounds like what you're doing is you're entering, let's say like right here. Maybe you think this is the break and your stop loss is here, and you're probably looking at it and say, oh, price shouldn't break past, let's say, this level. And so this is what you're ending up with. Like you're getting in at a certain point and realizing that, okay, I have to put my stop loss here, but at the same time, I don't think price is going to pass this level. It must be that's what you're doing. Otherwise, I don't understand even what's going on here. But like, if that makes sense, or if that's correct, let me know. If not, we'll figure something else out. For me, 1K is my target for the day, and I leave it when it hit. Got you. Yeah, for me, so here's the thing. My thing is like, I won't take more than 2 trades a day. I won't risk more than 2% in total. There are very few days where I'll take 3 trades. For the most part, as you guys can see, once I take a trade, I'm blessed. I just go chill out. Whether it was 1K, 2K, 500, 300, as long as I hit TP, I'm blessed. Because remember, I don't look at profits. I look at percentage, right? This trade that I took that hit TP that I only made 500, someone else took the same trade and made 2,500. Someone else took the same trade and made 5K. Someone else took the same trade and made 10K. It really depends on your account size. So I don't look at it like, oh, I need to make it. I just look at it like, did I hit my percentage? And that's it. I risked 1 to 2. I'm blessed. Man, I should have held that other trade because now I'd end up hitting TP. Oh my gosh. It's okay. It's okay. So I had 3 accounts today that I traded on, and all of them hit TP. So that's good for me. Bro, look at this. Holy. You guys just see that? It literally tapped this and just shot up. That's nuts. Anyhow, I hope you guys get my point. All right. I hope you guys get my point of what I'm trying to say. What's good at Mr. R? Fauci, all good, brother. What's up with? Okay, they're talking. I'm in that gold short too. Oh, you're already in that gold short, Marcus? Sheesh. All right, so we'll just assume Marcus is in here. Marcus is also part of the scalping family. So we're going to assume that Marcus has the sniperist of sniperist entries. He got in right at the close of this body right here. And he is aiming for a 1 to 26. Let's cheer on Marcus, guys. Go, Marcus. Go, Marcus. Go. Oi. Shosho, was it you that asked me to make the Bad Boy song? Let me know. I made a couple tracks for you, bro. We played a couple yesterday. All right, guys. Let's see if we can find any other trades. Let's see what else we can find, bro. It's been a little dead. Let's see if we can find some other trades. Look at this. Oh, man. Look at this. So I took a fake trade this morning, right? Because I wanted to see. I'm like, there's a good chance price is going to go down. Look what happened. Price just took me out and is going towards the downside. I should have been paying attention to this. This would have been in fact, I would have gotten right here, to be quite honest. About right here. Maybe even, I would say like, yeah, right here. This would have been a good, yeah, I would have been out the trade long time. All right, let's assume, in fact, let's assume, just to be safe, spread and everything. Maybe here. I still would have been out. Yeah, this would have been lovely. I love oil, by the way, guys. I love oil as a pair, as a whatever you want to call commodity, because it gives some great setups. And it's a pair that loves to fall, so. Oh, okay. We're just going to assume Marcus' stop loss is here. Yeah, man. There you go. Still sniper entry, Marcus. We got you. 1, 2. Marcus is aiming for a 1 to 25. Light work, bro. You could do this, Marcus. We got you. We got you. Marcus is laughing. Marcus. Let's go. Go, Marcus. Yes, sir. Bless fam. Gold US 30. OGU US. Yeah, for sure. Those are great pairs. No lie. Those are great pairs. Only drill. What's up with that? It's what I have the stuff set to right now. What else you want to hear? You want me to make what do you want? You into Taylor Swift? You want to make you like a Taylor Swift rendition of You're a Bad Boy? I think I have something like that actually for you. Since you like Taylor Swift, what's his name? Shosho. Since you're a Taylor Swift guy, let's get it. This song is dedicated to Shosho, who loves Taylor Swift. He be in his socks and an oversized tee with his comb, his brush, singing, jamming to these tracks. All right, Shosho, this was for you. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Where are we at? There we go. I've heard bad things about gold. That's why I'll never touch it again. Bro, gold has, trust me, gold has really.
Walking down the street, yeah.
No, this is not the one. This is too hard. No, let me see. Wait. Yeah, I think this is the one show. It's just that. No, that's not it. That's a different one. Let's see. Oh no, he is Swifty. Hey. No, not this one either. Okay, hold on. Can you put the sound of the guy saying bad boy in it? Got you. Okay, I'll try and make that happen. I just hit TP on US 30. All right, guys, before we go to playing our songs, we got to play a congratulations song for Fauci. Fauci also hit TP today. Dean, if you were not here, we also hit TP earlier. Okay, this was the trade. We hit TP, so the account, as you can see, is back up. We thank God. Where we at? Yes, so Fauci hit TP, guys. Let's congratulate Fauci. Let's put some W's in the chat.
W's in the shot.
Yes, sir.
W's in the shot.
All right, let's sing congratulations to our brother Fauci. Congrats, brother. Dean said he's a Swiftie. Gold beats people's emotions, yeah. Is the volume good, guys? If not, I could turn it up. Yes, sir. W's for Fauci. Let's go. Yo, clap it up for Fauci, let's go. Congrats, brother, congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we are happy for you.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yo, trading is interesting. Some days are up, some days are down. Yesterday, this is the trade. This is the sound that I should have played for the trade I made yesterday. This is the sound I should have played.
Use your brain. The thing in your head. Use it.
And that's what I should have played yesterday when I took that dumb trade. Oh my gosh, look how easy the setup is on US 30. Got you. Let's go take a look, bro. US 30. US 30. Yo, US 30's been giving setups. Look at this, bro. My goodness. Setup after setup. You're right, man. It's been fire. Let me check the 15. Let me see what's good. Oh, my goodness. All right, so this is interesting. Look at this. Wow. That's insane. Wow. Damn. I didn't even check. You guys, this morning they were doing construction at my house. These construction people, you're doing construction, not electrical work. They kept playing with the power and everything kept shutting down. All my computers, everything kept shutting off. So this morning when I hopped into the UJ trade, I was just like, bro, I just kind of seen what was going on. I was looking at it before I just hopped in. I'm like, this should be, I did my analysis a little bit before. I'm like, it should be good. Bro, play the SL cry. It's very funny. Got you. Yeah, for those of you guys who hit stop loss today because you traded news, we sympathize with you. There we go. All right, guys, try not to trade news. Try not to trade news. Yo, Fauci's getting insider info from Biden. Show, delete the message. I'll give you $2. Come on. Yo, I swear, our Discord, our chats, we are the best, bro. We are the absolute best. I don't care what nobody says. All right, we are the absolute best. All right, let's play the Taylor Swift song for Show. No, wrong one.
On the streets we rule this town. Dark nights, no light around. Cold breeze
Is this
when we
one?
make a sound. Bad boys never backing down. Hood up when we walk the block. Every step make the haters shock.
Go show. This is your jam.
In the shadows where the night's clock. Bad boy, we're the kings. Living life like it's full of strings.
Show, this one's for you.
Bad boy, hear it ring. Chaos breathing when we take wing. No fear when we take a stand. Hot, cold like desert sand. In the dark, we're a lethal band. Rise and fall, we make the brand. Dead back, can you feel the heat? Our path never miss a beat. Steady pace in the stormy street. Bad boys never face defeat. Bad boy, we're the kings. Living life like it's full of strings. Bad boy, hear it ring.
Guys, it's getting to our entry actually.
Chaos breathing when we take wing.
This is my TP song. Got you. This is dedicated. When I release this, I will release this just for you. Guys, by the way, the songs are going to be released on Saturday. It'll be one like every so often. So Saturday, the Trading in the Hood is going to be released.
No fear when we take a stand.
He's a bad boy, yes sir.
In the dark, we're a lethal band. Rise and fall, we make the brand. Step back, can you feel the heat? Our path never miss a beat. Steady pace in the stormy street. Bad boys never face defeat. Bad boy, we're the kings. Living life like
Alrighty.
it's full of strings.
Let's see what we can get.
Bad boy, hear it ring. Chaos breathing when we take wing.
This is going to be a quick scalp. I don't know about holding this longer. I want to see if there's potential to do it. All right, give it up for Shosha. That was Bad Boy by my ghostwriter. Her name is... What can I call her? Can't be Taylor Swift. We'll find a name for her, but she's my ghostwriter. That was a song dedicated to Shosho. Clap it up for Shosho, everybody. Shosho is the reason why we made this song. I have a couple other versions, but they're so bad, bro. They're so bad. Wait, let me play this one first. What's this one? Grr.
Wake up, hustle, shine. Every day it's on my mind. No sleep till I'm on top.
This one's also for you, Shosho.
Coming up on
I'm gonna call this ghostwriter Shosho. I won't even lie. Tyler Swift. Okay.
Guide my way. Hard work every single day. Dreams I chase with all my might.
See if we can find a setup.
Through the endless night. Grinding all my life just to make it one day. Step by step.
Give her an African name.
Oh,
Okosia Swift. Indobisi Swift. Chinedu Swift. Chizoma Swift. Ngozi Swift. Urema Swift. Yo.
Gotta push ahead. No retreat, only move ahead. Dreams my path like I said. Sweat and tears, they fuel my fight. In the dark, I see the light.
We'll find an African singer to sing that song. Okay, I'll do my best.
Grind my heart is nothing
I'll do my
less.
absolute best.
Grinding all my life just
Alright, let's play the next one. Let's play the next one. Let's see what this one's like. I can't remember.
Bad boy on the control. Cities wild jungle, beast on patrol.
This one's for Fauci. Fauci getting sturdy to this. Hey, hey, hey. Hola, hola. Hey, dancing emoji for Shosho and Fauci, guys. Put the dancing emoji in the chat. I gotta fire this ghostwriter, bro. His bars are trash. Hey, Fauci, dabbing it up. That's what's up. Yo, get him, go Fauci. Hey, that's what's up. That's the emojis in the chat for Fauci and Shosho. Yeah, man. Stars dying.
Diploma from the grind, hustle every day, got no reason to rewind. Midnight rider,
Yo. Hey, 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 hey.
dangerous hobby, was my lone friend.
I know Fauci getting sturdy in his J's and his Jordans.
Bad boy lifestyle, ain't no turning back. Hardcore, my sharp, never fake black.
Hey.
Bang a beat, stop the feet, thumping in the
All right. Next one. Next track. All the bad boys out there. Was good. Let's see what this one's like.
On the streets we rule this town. Dark nights, no light around. Cold breeze when we make a sound. Bad boys never backing down. Hood up when we
Oh wait, this is Shosho's song. I'm sorry. It's the next one. If this is playing in the club, I'm walking out.
Walking down the street, yeah, all the heat, yeah, dark shades on my face, keeping up the pace. Late night in the ends, yeah, money to be spent, yeah, life we represent, never gonna
Who's this one for?
You're a bad boy.
This is Marcus's song right here.
With the bad boy.
Hey, Marcus, this one for you. Hey, hey.
City in the tech boy. Love weeks in the club, yeah, moving like a thug, yeah, grit and the grind, leaving all behind. Shot moves like a blade, yeah.
I'm crying.
Never played, yeah. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the skies.
Hey, hey. This was for Marcus. Hey.
Never looking cat boy.
Yes, sir. I love the emojis, Mr. R.
In the tech boy.
Go, Marcus. Go, Marcus. Go, Marcus. Go, Marcus.
Walking.
Yo. Oh my gosh, these are hilarious. All right, next one. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Finally got an entry today. Play. Haven't traded for 2 days. Ranker LMAO.
Walking down the street, yeah, feeling in the heat, yeah. Dark shades on my face, keeping up the pace.
Who's this one for? Let's see.
Ends, yeah. Money to be spent, yeah. Life we represent, never gonna bend. You're a bad boy.
Nah, this is Adib. Adib. Sheesh.
Never looking back.
Hey.
City in attack, boy. Loud beats in the club, yeah. Moving like we thought, yeah. Grit and the grind, leaving all
Yo, some of these songs are
Shot moves like a blade,
hard
yeah.
to listen to. I ain't gonna cap.
Yeah.
All right, that's enough, bro. Sheesh. Hey, welcome to the Foreign Money Radio Show. I'm saying we play the best bangers, the best trading hits every day at 9:30 live. Welcome to 93.5 Foreign Money Radio. Yeah, man. Oh man, what else we got? Let's see. Yo, this beat is hard. I ain't gonna cap. Hopefully the lyrics are good. Let's see.
Scrape knuckles, dirt
Oh
under
my
nails,
gosh, dog.
concrete jungles, heart heavy as
I gotta fire
scales.
this guy. He is trash.
Prize vision no longer frail. 9 to 5, turn midnight, junk mail trails. Counting change like riches, pockets getting slim. Dreams shining bright while reality dims. Every setback's a lesson, life ain't no whims. Rewards grind sealed, hustling in gym Tims. From the gutter rise up, never gonna falter. Blood, sweat, tears, offering
Gee,
at the
you wildin', bro. I don't listen to none of this. It's not even on my phone.
Break free, a guardian with a halter. Late night ride, city light, shadows cast.
R.I.P. the
long.
ears if you
Whispers of
listen to the
greatness in
radio.
places I don't belong. Gotta stay strong. Pressures build head song. Future looking bright, courage end of my wrongs. Streets filled with strife.
All right, that's enough, bro. The beat is hard on that, but dog, that ghostwriter trash. Do trading in the hood? I got you, guys. Guys, give me a second. I'm gonna do trading in the hood real quick. Give me a second.
Part of city where the blizzards grow cold. Pocket full of dreams.
This is Marcus's alter ego right here.
On the corner, spit tails, low wage. Future in my palms, break
right, let me just find trading in the hood, bro. This is getting out of control. All right. Let me see if I can find trading in the hood. By the way, those of you who are just getting to the stream, we already hit TP this morning. We blessed. We good. We having a great time. So welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to Foreign Money Radio, where we trade and make waves. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can find our song, highly requested song. It's the only song that people seem to give a pass. Everything else is like, nah, bro, throw that in the trash. Oh, you see what I did there? That was a rhyme. Okay, let's see. Where's it at? Nope, not that one. Where is it at? I think this is it. Yeah.
Morning light, cities buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right, trading in the hood, alright. Corners busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go. In the hood trading game, every face knows your name. We ain't looking for fame, just trading in the hood all day. Deals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Goals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get rid of this one here.
In the hood with pride. Sun goes down, street lights on. Still the grind, it carries on. Trade until the break of dawn. Hood's the place we all belong. Trading in the hood, alright.
Hey, Adib.
Trading in the hood, alright. Corners busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go. Corners busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go. Goals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Sun goes down, street lights on. Still the grind, it carries on. Trade until the break of dawn. Hood's the place we all belong. Trading in the hood, alright. Trading in the hood, alright. Trading in the hood, alright. Trading in the hood all day. Deals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Sun goes down, street lights on. Still the grind, it carries on.
Damn,
Trading
gold
till
is
the break of dawn. Hood's
bullshit.
the place we all belong. Trading in the hood, alright. Trading in the hood, alright. Deals and dreams all collide. People working side by side. Hope and hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Sun goes down, street lights on. Still the grind, it carries on. Trade until the break of dawn. Hood's the place we all belong.
All right, trading in the hood. That's gonna be released tomorrow on YouTube. All right, guys. So we will see how that goes. Yo, I'm low-key tempted to show you guys my wife. You know, low-key tempted to show you guys my wife, dog. You're low-key tempted. I don't know. The thing is. It's just that the internet's a weird place, or else I would have shown you guys some time. So I'm debating. I keep debating. Her and I talk about it all the time. But the internet's a weird place, so I just kind of keep these things private. You know what I mean? But I'm super proud of my wife. She's a good woman. She's the one who set up the whole thing. My birthday, we went. She got me an iPad. That iPad cost like $1,000 something. We went to eat at the CN Tower. At the CN Tower, I think the minimum is $75 per person minimum. That's like whether you eat or not, you paying $75, right? Per person. We ate, and then the restaurant's really nice. It like spins. It's the highest tower in the whole city, and it spins and all that stuff. Is it overrated? A little bit, right? Because like it's not really my type of restaurant, but you know what I mean. She is. She set that up. We did a lot, man. You guys saw with the Lambos and stuff like that. There's other stuff that I didn't show you guys. She just made the day amazing. So I'm really like I love that woman, bro. And sometimes I want to be like, yo, this is the person that you guys are always like, hey, yo, Mrs. For Money, all that good stuff. But at the same time, the internet's a strange place. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. But she doesn't mind. She says all the time, babe, I don't mind being, you know, on your streams, in your videos, in your vlogs, all that good stuff. See what I'm saying? So we'll see. We'll see. No matter what anyone says, but those lyrics hit hard. Thank you, Adib. Thank you, fam. We know she's beautiful. She is very beautiful, guys. She is very beautiful. I can show you guys maybe half. Fam, you got the best girl in the world for you. Sheriff, when you were at rock bottom, fam. That's a blessing. Yo, for real. My wife is a queen, bro. And I'm not just saying that because of looks. I'm saying that because she's a really good person. Let me see. You know what? Let me see. I don't know why I feel like showing you guys this, but I will see if I could show you guys half. All right, guys? So let's see. I'll show y'all half. 1 second. 1 second, guys. We're going to pull this up. We can go logo, graphic. No, that's assets. Right here. And then I have to go to here. And then I got to go to here. And let me see something. Yeah, okay. So 1 second. This is the reel I'm going to post today, guys. But I will see if I can show you guys. All right, guys. You guys ready? You guys ready? This is all I can show you guys for now. Okay? That's my wife. That's all I can show you guys for now. That's all I can show you guys for now. All right? That's all I can show you guys for now. That's my wife. She's the one that's been at my side the whole time. Just straight up supporting me. You know what I'm saying? Just a good woman, bro. She met me when I was at the rock bottom. Everything you guys see that I'm doing now, she supported my dreams. Every single thing. All right, guys. Thank you, Fauci. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much. She's a good soul. Maybe one of these days I'll show you guys what she looked like for real. But for now, this is all I could show you guys. I really want to, because you guys are like family, you know what I'm saying? So I really want to show you. But there's just, every so often you get these weirdos on the internet that just like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't want no issues, so I don't show too much. You find the wrong one for sure. Thank you, bro. Bless, brother. Thank you, Ranker. Thank you, guys. So that's her. I think Marcus has seen her. I think she's amazing. Eyes. You're so blessed for having such a supportive wife. Thank you, brother. Thank you. She's a good woman. A good woman. So, yeah. All right. That's enough. I'm going to get it off the screen. You guys will see in the reel today that I post anyways. It's going to be in there. Come on, man. Biden accent. So, yeah, man. You know what I mean? So, she is. That's my wife, guys. As time goes, as things get out there, you guys will see more and more of her, because eventually, especially when I'm doing day in the lives and stuff like that, I'm not gonna blur her face all the time. It's kind of better to keep your life private, just because the world really is weird. People are just weird out there. Awesome, brother. Lots of blessings to you guys. Thank you so much, guys. We're gonna be married 10 years in November. 10 years in November. 10 years, guys. 10 years. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, been a long journey, man. I pray that everyone on this live that doesn't have a partner yet, I hope you guys find one, man. Your life will change completely, I promise you. You find the right woman, whatever you were trying to do that you were struggling to do, you will achieve it. A good woman is like, that's what the Bible says. He who finds a wife obtains the favor of the Lord. It's no joke. If you find a good woman, November 22. Is that your anniversary, bro? Because ours is the 15th. That's fire. Even me, I keep my life private. I don't have any pictures on the internet or Instagram or Facebook. Yeah. I mean, I can't help myself, right? I got to be on the internet. But yeah, man. Bro, I'm 18. Oh, okay. Well, you could. I mean, yeah, you could wait still. Let's see if we can get some trades in here. But yeah, man, we had a great day.
Why didn't you call me back?
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Just ignore this for a second.
Why didn't you call me back? And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Sorry if that was loud, by the way, guys, because that was loud on my side here. So that was probably loud for you guys. But anyhow, yeah, man. So hopefully we can get a nice gold setup here. Take a trade, and then we can maybe call it. All right, guys. Can maybe call it. Ranker's laughing. You guys have any plans for Friday? I know what I got to do, guys. I got a lot of work to do. Lots of work to do. Lots of work to do. So, don't marry at 18. Yeah, you're a bit young, brother. I would wait, to be quite honest. You know, at the same time, I'm not encouraging you going out there and, you know what I mean, causing havoc or experimenting, none of that stuff. But you are fairly young, and marriage takes maturity for sure. For sure. Enjoy life at least. Guys, 1 second. Guys, sorry, 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Got it. Yeah, sorry guys. Duty calls. Bro, without arranged marriage, I have no option. This guy said without arranged marriage, I have no option. Are you sure, bro? Come on, bro. I know you got game. I'm waiting for the right woman too, fam. Okay. Yeah, bro, it's hard. I literally prayed for I prayed to God for a year. I was fasting and praying for 1 year, asking God to help me find a wife. Because this generation, bro, everybody's cooked. It wasn't easy, bro. So I know what you mean. I know what you mean, man. I know what you mean. Here's the thing, guys. The people always ask, how do you know when you've met the one? And I promise you, as corny as this sounds, you just know. When you meet, you just know. When you meet the one, you just know. Trust me on this. My brother said the same thing. I said the same thing. We all know. My brother is also married. His anniversary is. My brother's been married, I think, 4 years now. My little brother. He's been married 4 years. So he's almost at that cinco. Is cinco 5? Right? Cinco's 5? Unos, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Yeah, cinco's 5. Yeah. So he's almost at that 5-year mark. Guys, gold, I don't think gold is going to give us any. It's just going nuts. It does not give a damn about our gap right now. So, guys. What do you mean causing havoc? Just date like a normal person. I mean, like you're sleeping around with everything that moves. You know what I mean? And you're trying to, you know what I mean? You're trying to just be out there and quote unquote have fun. You're going to ruin yourself when you want to get married. You're going to find that because you're so used to because it happened to me when I was, especially in high school and college, bro, I had a roster. I had Fauci knows the areas I'm talking about. I had a girl like in every city. And I don't want to talk about this because I don't want to promote it, but just long story short, guys, just don't go that route, man. It seems cool. Everybody's like, oh yeah, you want to sleep with them as much girls as possible. It's all vain. It's all empty. Nothing will be like when you meet the one, bro. When you meet the one, whatever you did with everyone else is garbage. The one, it's just different levels. So what I mean by wreaking havoc is that I can't even talk to girls normally after studying all boys school for the last 10 years. Brother, we need to get you out the gulag, brother. Huh? We need you to at least learn how to say, good morning, my name is Adib. What's your name? Now, obviously, you don't want to talk to a girl like that. It's just, but you need to, my voice check when you're trying. Oh, shoot. Okay, we gotta, maybe one day we'll hold like a Riz session. I'm kidding, no Riz session. But you guys, here's the thing about being a man, okay? You must be what's the word I'm looking for? A capable man, not just in money. We're not talking about this high value man nonsense. We're talking about just being a man that's worth his salt. You have to be a man that is what's the word I'm looking for? It's like you are the caliber of man you are has been built. Your character, everything's been shaped, chiseled. You're a man that has substance in you. That's how you'll attract a woman with substance, or as the Bible calls it, a woman of virtue. So as a man, Adib, you might not have the confidence right now, but the more you achieve things in life and the more you grow, your confidence will grow 1,000%. Your confidence will absolutely grow. If you master trading and you're making 20K a month, 10K a month, your confidence will skyrocket. You see what I'm saying? There are things that happen in your life. She said recession is crazy. Yeah. No, we're not doing that. There are things that happen in your life that build confidence. Here's the thing. Like, so you guys don't know this, but I'm a very introverted person, as in I don't like talking to people. I like keeping to myself. I don't like large groups, social events, all those things. I had, maybe still have, a severe case of stage fright, as in if you tell me, hey, can you present in front of the class, my knees start to knock, my throat lumps up, I can hear my heartbeat in my throat and in my ears. Like, it's just, I get so like fearful. And yet look what I'm doing. All the things I've done in life have been those things. You got to learn to face your fears and put yourself out there. When you go on social media, right, you're worried about people judging you, and people will. You're worried about people saying nasty things, and people will. You're worried about a lot of things, but if you don't learn to face your fears and become a confident, strong man, it's going to be hard to attract a strong, because my wife is a very strong woman. Like, she's not no pushover, and that's what I prayed to God for, because I was with this girl that was just like, everything was, okay, I'm so sorry, babe. No, babe, it's my fault. Even when I'm the one at fault. And I'm like, bro, this is gross. You need somebody with a mind of their own. So I prayed to God for that. My wife is not a pushover in the slightest. She's not one of those arrogant, just because she's light-skinned or whatever, she thinks she's the stuff. She's not one of those. She's just very strong-minded. Like, she's a woman who has her own, like, she has structure in her own self. Like, she has a core. So, and a good head on her shoulders. So she's not, and I love that, because I need somebody I can bounce ideas off of. I need somebody I can be like, what do you think about this? And I can get the truth. If it sucks, I want it to tell me, babe, that sucks. Like, don't put that out there. That's what I want. You don't want, oh my gosh, babe, I'm so proud of you. You know what I mean? You did a really great job. Don't tell me that when the thing looks like the Cybertruck. Don't tell me that. I want you to tell me, bro, that thing looks like, my nephew drew that. That's what I want. You see what I'm saying? So, anyways, yeah, Adib, it'll come with time. But Adib, I'll tell you this. Practice introducing yourself to people. It'll help you build confidence. Oh, I see. For us in Morocco, there is no, unless you marry the girl. W Morocco. That's how the whole world should be. It's not. We should not be doing that stuff before marriage. W Morocco. That's absolutely fire. Mr. R said, me too, bro. Me too, brother. African accent. You guys, listen. If you guys seem to be young then. You guys seem to be young. If you guys are worried about talking to girls, just listen. You guys go to the grocery store, or go to the mall, or go to any place where there's people. If you go to the grocery store, you go to the mall, you go to a shopping center, you go to a store, if the cashier is a female around your age, just strike up a conversation. You're not flirting with her. They'll usually say, hey, how you doing? You'll be like, good. How are you doing? I'm good. How's your day going? Has it been busy in the store today? Not really. Cool. Especially go to Starbucks. Starbucks is the best place. All the baristas there are very kind. They have to be. It's part of the Starbucks culture. They'll be like, hi, what's your name? Adib. Okay, Adib, this one's for you. And you'll be like, oh, thank you. I didn't know you wrote my name. That makes me feel special. She'll be like, oh, yeah, we do it for everybody. But, oh, that's cool. I'm going to come here more often. And by the way, how long have you been working here? Just talk to her. You're not actually trying to get your number. You're not trying to flirt. Just talk. It'll get you used to talking to girls. You see what I'm saying? Men are afraid of rejection because they're like, I don't want the girl to reject me. Forget her. Worry about you. Just talk to her. And if you see her a little weird, like, I'm good, then just cut it. It's all good. And if you really want her to know that you weren't interested, be like, yeah, I was actually out here looking to grab something for my wife, my girlfriend. What do you recommend? And then after they open up, oh, okay, it's for your girlfriend. Then they want to be nice again. So just talk to people. Just talk to people. All right, it'll all work out. Just talk to people. Just talk. All right, guys, go to, bro, maybe in Canada, but here there is no option. Where are you from, Adib? Are you in India? Are you in Saudi Arabia? Like, where you at? Maybe that will help. Maybe that will help. Bro, gold just losing its mind. Excusez-moi. But you guys, on a serious note, though, do you guys see why I always wait for confirmation before I get into a trade? You don't just, I used to put pending orders at every zone, especially when I was trading supply and demand. And guess what would happen? This. every single time. Okay, bro. Mr. R retracted. Where you guys from? Let me know where you guys are from. Right? Where you guys are from? Where are you guys from? Sorry. You guys, confidence is a great tool in life. I'm somebody I don't like. If you put me in a social setting, I'm like overwhelmed. I don't like it. But you gotta be social, man. You just can't avoid it. See? Fauci said same. You see what I'm saying? Like that's just how it is. None of us, as men, I would like to think that most of the time we're more reserved, right? Like when we go places, my wife and my sister-in-law, they just out here having the time of their lives, and I'm just chilling. Somebody got to watch out for danger, right? So I'm just chilling. You won't see me all like, yo, what's good, everybody? Like one of these, I'm not one of those guys. I'm very reserved. But if you get to know me, I'll make jokes and stuff, and I'll laugh a lot, like you guys see me doing here on stream. But for the most part, I'm reserved, because as a man, you must be austere. This word right here. This word. You must be austere. Okay? And for those of you who don't know what it means, here's the definition. Severe or strict in manner or attitude. As a man, you must be austere. That's the word. God told me this. You must be austere, especially when you want to attract women. It's nice to be funny. A lot of funny guys get girls, but you must be austere. You must, and I don't mean like mysterious. You see people on the internet who are all like, oh, what was that? Let me just switch the camera real quick so you guys can see. They'd be like, oh, what was that? What's your name? Carly? Oh, shoot. My name's Foreign. Nice to meet you. That's not being austere. That's just being weird, bro. You ain't got to do all that. Being austere just means, it's kind of like with the markets. You move when necessary. You speak when necessary. You do everything when necessary. I'll give you guys a story. When I was in high school, this one girl came from another school. She was like, not just the prettiest girl in our school that day. When she came, she was like in the district. Like all the other schools around, she was popular because she was really pretty. And when she came to our school, all the guys were like, oh, trying to talk to her. Everybody's trying to walk all swagalicious. You know what I did that day? I ignored the life out of her. Never said hi to her. Never looked at her. She went through the whole school. And at the end, she goes, who's that guy? Can I talk to him? You have to set yourself apart. Now, the other thing too is that I was always like best dressed in my school. Like I always kept myself dressed really nice. Okay. Decent at the very least. So you present yourself well, you speak well, you move properly. Basically means aura. Fauci said basically means aura. I learned with Indeed, not Canada. Fauci, are you from Bangladesh? No. Fauci is from Canada, bro. Fauci's from Canada. But yeah, you see what I'm saying? So with women, and I don't want to get weird, but women, a lot of things are psychological for them. You ever see a guy with a woman be like, how the heck did he get her? And the guy doesn't have money? There's a lot of things that tick psychologically for women that's different from men, right? So you have to understand that women, even when they're not looking for marriage, their brain is kind of wired to find a suitable partner. Somebody that if things go left and they have to have kids with this person is it. Why do you think a lot of women like bad boys? Is because bad guys show that at least they're capable of defending themselves. You see what I'm saying? And bad boys have a bit of danger, mystery, whatever they call it. You guys, I still do it. I do a consultation, and I talk to all sorts of people, especially women. And you'd be shocked at things that women look for in a man. All right, guys, be yourself, be strong, be confident, and it'll work out for you. Relationship advice with foreign. Oh my gosh, I'm Canadian. Yeah, buddy. Shout out to all my Canadians in the chat. But yeah, man. All right, guys, that's the best I can give you guys without turning this into like a therapy session. But you guys just really and truly just make yourself formidable in the sense, or capable in the sense of like, you've got something going on for you. Because when I met my wife, I was dead broke, but I had just bought my first BMW and I didn't have any money to put it on the road. It was just sitting there. I had to get it licensed and all that stuff. But my wife saw in me what I was putting out there. She knew that I'm worth sticking with. You know what I mean? Like, so if I can meet a woman like the one I have when I've got nothing, you guys will do just fine. You guys will do just fine. The right woman will see you for who you are. I hear a lot of women say, I would follow a man if he knew where he was going. And to be fair, guys, some of the guys I talk to ain't got the slightest clue as to what they're doing in their lives. You talk to a lot of guys, so what do you do for a living? Oh, right now I'm just trying to build my empire. I'm saying, Like, right now I'm in between jobs, but this because I'm hustling. I'm saying like, right now, so I got like a crypto, right? Right now I got like a crypto, and then on top of that, bro, like, I got like, I'm making moves. I'm saying I'm starting this company, and I'm saying, and it's just like a bunch of hopes and dreams and like nothing concrete. And then when the girls say, hey, what do you think about marriage? They're like, yo, I got to set up my empire first. I'm saying I got to get rich first. Good luck. That's take forever. Good luck. Right? Very few people are going to get rich first before they get married. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just saying all this to say, guys, have a plan for your life. She's laughing. It's a real talks, guys. Have a plan for your life. All right. Don't go out there looking for a woman and you ain't got nothing going on for yourself. What you got going on? Wait, if you tell a woman right now you're in the middle of building something, you can show her this is what you've been working on. She will be like, yeah, solid. But if you're like, right now I'm just trying to hustle, but I got big dreams. Everybody's got dreams. God gave us all dreams. Every single one. Everyone has a dream. All right. God gives everyone a dream. Let me get back into here real quick. God gives everyone a dream. Okay. And then he shows you 2 points in your life. 2 points in your life. Okay. I'll show you guys right now. 2 points in your life. Okay. You will see God show you what we call as the beginning. Let me do like this. Did I spell beginning wrong? I think so, but who knows? Whatever. And then he shows you the end. Okay? The end of our lives, or the pinnacle or the height of our lives. Okay? I had dreams of all sorts of things before they all happen. Okay? But this is what we usually refer to as the dream, right? The dream consists of these. Just do this, guys. Okay? 1 second. I'm going to make this diagram for you guys real quick. Okay? And then I'm going to move this up like that. I'm going to move this over here. And I'm going to move this up like that. All right, guys? So here is the end. Here's the beginning. What does this mean by the beginning? The beginning means God shows you when you start to get a hint of who you are. As in, now I start to feel like, nah, bro, there's more in me. Or this is something I've got to do. Or I got to achieve it. That's the beginning. And then God usually, he actually shows you the end first. You get a dream. Some sort of dream. It could be like you had a little dream. It could be you have this idea, this inspiration comes out of nowhere. And in between, okay, in between this line here, right here, in between these 2 points of beginning and the end is called right here, God's plan for your life. Okay, let me do it like this. Guys, just bear with me here. Okay, if you just joined, we've been trading. We already hit TP. You can hop off if you like. Doesn't matter to me. All right, this is God's plan. And in between the dream and the beginning, the end, everything shows you. He never tells you how this all plays out. This is the issue. Nobody ever knows how they're going to get from here to here. No one ever knows. That's why everybody tells you one piece of advice whenever it comes to chasing your dreams. Never give up. Because if you endure until the end, if you are able to make it until the end, 1 second. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I need this to line up. If you are able to make it to the end, whatever you're asking God for, he will give you. Okay? This is how it works. God gives us all dreams, every single one of us. But the way to accomplish it, he never tells you. Why? Why do you think God never tells you? No, Drake did not plan it, that for sure. Why do you think God never tells you his plan? Because in his plan includes these things. Suffering. Pain. Disappointment. Betrayal. Betrayal, right? I think that's correct. Loss. Right? Ridicule. And the list goes on and on. I'll just put here, etc. Right? So you don't want this. On the other side of a profitable trader is a trader who has lost a lot of money or a lot of times. You see what I'm saying? Let me go back to chat real quick. They're looking for a man who is trading in the hood with pride. You guys are crazy. They will just stay in the hood and go for a mansion. You should, Marcus, do the American accent, bro. Those boys who smoke marijuana, they always get girls' attention because girls at that point don't know what a good man is either, right? Dean said, they get the girls of their caliber. Facts, absolute facts. Hey, nah, bro, that's where I don't understand here. They get girls like good in studying. No, don't worry about that. You haven't seen those girls' ends. You know how many girls I went to school with that were straight A students and now they're like doing things you would never believe they're doing? A real woman will keep her values. Don't even worry about that. Drake didn't plan it. He just went with the vibe. Fauci was about to say Drake too. LOL. But I hope you guys get the point. All right. So on the other side of a good trader, on the other side of a successful person, all these things are there. We don't want to experience these things. That's the whole issue. So if God tells you that, okay, I'm going to use Fauci. All right. Let's use Fauci here real quick. Let's go Fauci. This is Fauci. If God tells Fauci, right, that God, let me just draw this here. God's plan for Fauci is this. Okay, for Fauci. Fauci has to, this is what's going to happen to Fauci. Fauci's going to, how can I put it? Okay, Fauci, we're just going to say this. Fauci's going to lose his job, right? After committing, I think I spelled that wrong, to buying a car, home, etc., right? Then Fauci will experience homelessness. Okay? Shame, disgrace. Okay? Fauci will also let's put some stuff here. Fauci will also lose a friend through some sort of or worse, let's do this. Fauci will lose his woman to one of his best friends, right? Fauci will go from working a high-paying job to now collecting garbage. And and if God tells you, hey, this is the deal, this is the package to success, Fauci could be like, oh God, nah, bro. We gotta talk about this. Yeah, Marcus said, whoa, Fauci going through a lot. Oh my God, it's talking to you, fam. That's exactly what happened. Okay, there you go. All right. So the question is, all right, so why is Fauci experiencing this? Because the person, Fauci, you have a dream car in mind? Let me know if you have a dream car. But we just did a Lambo. I just drove a Lambo, whatever. We're going to put Lambo, okay? Let's say he also wants a mansion. Okay, let me, all in one place. Lambo, mansion, okay? Status, right? We're just going to name generic things. Wealth, okay? What else Fauci want? Honor amongst his family members, his friends, whatever, right? The things that Fauci wants, Fauci will not know honor until he experiences betrayal. Let me get rid of this real quick. Sorry, guys. Okay? Fauci will not know honor until he understands betrayal. Fauci will not understand wealth until he's experienced loss. Okay, oops. Fauci is not gonna understand the what's it called? The value of a mansion, right? Until he experiences home. Like, these are the things that puts Fauci's values at a higher point, where Fauci's like, nah, bro. Listen, I'll tell you guys right now. You guys already know my story. I've experienced homelessness before. Slept in my car a couple times, stood in the line at the food bank, all that good stuff. And then I also went to Africa for 3 years. You know what that did for me? It gave me this word right here: value and appreciation for opportunities in this country. This is why I work harder than all my friends. This one thing right here. Let me change this to like red or something. This one thing right here is the reason why I work hard every day. Every day. I kill myself every day, push myself every day, push my boundaries, my goals every day, because I've experienced all of this. All of this. And so if God was to tell, let me clear some of these things up here. Or let me just move to the side. If God was to tell Fauci that, hey, Fauci, This is in my plan for you. Fauci would say this. That's what Fauci would tell God. So in order for God to make Fauci what Fauci's been praying, which is a successful, capable man, God doesn't tell Fauci what's coming. He just lets Fauci walk into it. And when I was going through all of this, guess what? I kept asking God, Lord, like, why? And every time I would pray, God would keep telling me, you don't know how blessed you are. He's like, I'm taking you to a place one day, everything you want is going to be there. I've been following that dream for a hot minute. And by God's grace, it's going in the right direction. So I'm saying all this to say, guys, again, not trying to preach to you guys here, but this is life. Adib, you know what I mean? Ranker, K-Dot, all you guys, just hardship is what makes a man. Hardship. They say in necessity is the mother of all invention. In other words, all the things you see that were invented came because we had a need for them. All the greatest things we see, they all came because there was a need and somebody needed to fill that gap. Okay, microwave came from a need. Well, it was discovered differently, but you get my story. Stove, okay, fridge, all these things came from a need, necessity. God is allowing you to struggle, to suffer, so that you can fill the needs of other people. That's where the blessing comes from. I don't care how much money I make. My wife and I, we were talking about it yesterday. We just can't believe how much money we're making now. But it's nothing compared to the people we're able to help. That's the blessing. All right, guys. So I'm going to, you know what I mean? Just get rid of this here. First, maybe I should screenshot it, because some people ask for these things after and they ask me to crop the video, so I'll try and do that. But essentially, guys, this is the whole thing. This is all that it is. So just understand your life. This is just how it goes. You see what I'm saying? Where is homeless? He would have made a good example. He's always missing. He done my man bad. But if that really happened, really sucks, bro. Amen. Wow. At Marcus Eugene, yeah, bro. Pray everyone's success in life. You guys, success comes from suffering. Okay? You guys, you know this word here? When you ask people what to do to become rich, what's one of the advices they give you? They tell you to never work for money, right? Never work for money. Don't trade time for money. They tell you never give up. What's another thing they tell you guys? This one right here. Follow your passion. Do you guys know that this word passion, do you guys know that this word actually means suffering? That's why the movie Passion of the Christ is called Passion of the Christ. It's not because Jesus was passionate about dying. It's because he suffered. Okay? Passion equals suffering. So you guys, let me give you guys a secret in life. Those of you who want to start companies, those of you guys who want to solve problems, you want to be great. The things that upset you the most are the things that you are supposed to solve. If you notice in your country, we don't have access to good healthcare and it really bothers you, it burns within you. It makes you like, it's like a suffering feeling like, bro, I can't stand this. That's God putting his gift in you to pursue this. And if you pursue this, he will give you the tools and resources you need to succeed. Passion equals suffering. When you see that there's a problem in your family, in your neighborhood, in the industry, you know the bots and the stuff I'm building them because they're problems I encountered. I'm not just trying to make money. I'm building things that I struggled with, and that's what I'm pursuing. These lives that I do for you guys every day is because I had no guidance. I had no community. I had nothing when I was trading, so I do it for you guys. It comes from the suffering. Who was there when I was doing journals and failing trades for 4 years without having one person to ask for advice? Nobody else was there. It was just me. I suffered by myself, and now I'm teaching, even though I don't think I'm qualified to teach. You guys get it? This is how the world works. This is how the world works. So your passion is tied to the things that really move you inside. There's a Bible verse that says this: for God, let me just type it out here. I'll show you guys right now. It says, for God has put his will in the hearts of men to fulfill them. You know what that means? When you get the idea to create an app, when you get an idea, all these things are God's gift in you for you to solve this problem. The reason why God allowed you to be born in the 2000s, in the 1990s, in the 1980s, as opposed to 1964, 1920, is because the person you are and the skills you have is most useful in this generation. Don't just come live this life and be a regular Joe. Push yourself. You're here because God believes you can do great things. You see what I'm saying? So I'm done with the preaching. That's it. That's done. Let me go back to the chat real quick. Marcus said, but it could be God teaching that the worldly things don't matter too, that even if you lose everything, you still got God. What did Fauci say? I didn't see it. I said, wow, okay. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for there's the kingdom of heaven. Amen, brother. Adi said, bro, where is the chat in the monitor? Oh, that's, is it here? I think this is it, but something's off. You guys want to see this again? I even forgot about it. All right. I don't like telling people I'm homeless and stuff because I don't want you to feel bad. I still have 2 hands and feet. Bro, that is... Hey, yo, listen. Shout out to Fauci, okay, for being humble, for being an amazing soul. And yo, Fauci, I want to say this. I hope you're still on the live. Fauci's a perfect example of what you call a solid dude, is what we call it today, but rather a man of character. My mom taught me this, believe it or not. Fauci has never once... You know what's crazy? Everybody hits me up asking for money. Everyone. Everyone hits me up asking for money. You know what Fauci's never asked for? Fauci's never asked me for money. Fauci's never asked me for a giveaway account. Fauci's never done none of those things. Ever. And the person who needs it the most is Fauci. Fauci, shout out to you. You guys, W's in the chat right now for Fauci. We're going to make something work for Fauci. W's in the chat for Fauci. Fauci, in fact, the next giveaway I do, just remind me in case I forget, you're going to get an account. No matter what. No matter what, I'm going to give you an account. Because I've been there. That's tough. Fauci, don't give up. I promise you. Nobody's there. You guys, I come from a big family, but nobody could help me when I was going through what I was going through with my wife. W's in the chat for Fauci. I could have died like 20 times, no cap, but now I'm working to kill the demon. Amen, Fauci. W's in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat for Fauci. That is some goat stuff. That is fire. All right, Fauci, you're a solid dude. You're a man of character. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Okay? A lot of people would have given them. Those of you guys who are failing challenges and feeling like it's hard, just look at Fauci for inspiration. Don't even look at me. Look at Fauci. Fauci has never once complained. He's still trading. He's still trying to make ends meet. He's still doing what he has to do. Make it 12 account giveaways, right? We'll talk about them in a sec, Dean. All right, because I have to do one for Discord and one for another one as well. For respect to everyone still. Yeah, for sure, Fauci. You deserve it. The fact that nobody would have ever known if I didn't bring this up. That shows you're a man of character. People hit me up every day. Bro, please, I know you are rich. This is nothing for you. Who told you I'm rich? I'm rich, dog. I'm still out here trying to get it like everyone else. You see what I'm saying? And everybody just wants a handout. If I give you $1 million, it'll all go to waste. You're not going to know what to do with it because you're not a millionaire. You need to have a millionaire's habits and mindset to maintain the millionaire, or at least grow it. This is what you call character right here. So Fauci, you know what's going to happen? This is what I learned from suffering. When everyone else is giving up easily, right? Losing hope, saying it doesn't work, right? That's where you will excel. I promise you. Because you have strength that comes from the situations that you've been through. This is why I can go through a lot. People like my wife and I have been through hell and back. It's because we have suffered. The suffering geared us for the challenges in life. Fauci, I promise you, when your break comes, you know what people call luck? This is what people call luck. Right here. Luck. Right? It's people think, oh, Fauci won a challenge, or Fauci passed a challenge, made 30K. He's lucky. No. This is what luck is. You guys, you spend your whole life preparing so that you can, when the opportunity comes, you can take advantage of it. That's how it works. Okay? You guys know the story of Joseph? Joseph is born a free man, all that stuff, ends up in prison, ends up a slave. But his whole life, God has been preparing him to do two things: interpret dreams and manage. One day, the king of the whole nation of the world at the time needs his dream interpreted. Joseph doesn't miss the opportunity. He goes, he does what he's supposed to do. That day, Joseph goes from being a prisoner in a foreign country, okay, to prime minister of that country in a day. And everybody who hated on him had to bow before him. This is God's plan for all of us if we don't give up. Not the people bowing before you part, okay? I had a friend who's like, my dream is for my family to clean my floors. So that's a terrible dream, bro. Don't try and get revenge like that. But that's how it works. Preparation meeting opportunity. You prepare. You guys ever heard this saying? It takes a whole lifetime to become an overnight success. These things are all true. People see me out of the blue and like, oh, wow, you've grown so much, brother. Like, you have no idea how much I've suffered. You weren't there. Were you there when I had to ask my little brother for $10 so I could feed my wife for the week? Were you there when we were sleeping in the cold in the car? Were you there? You weren't there. You weren't there when we took the risks that we took. When we took out loans to start businesses that failed. You weren't there. Don't tell me I'm lucky. That's disrespectful. I worked very hard and God's blessing brought it to come to be. Don't say I'm lucky. Respective one. And Dean said, let us enjoy the moment. Right, Ranker? I got into trading November 22nd when I got out of jail. And something told me to look into trading and I have never stopped. Bro, I pray you are so successful. I pray not only are you successful, you become an amazing trader and you can share your story one day. For sure. That is absolutely fire. Antisako said real. Shout out to you, Antisako. Good for you at Fauci. You are in the good way to better your life. Absolutely. At Fauci, I am rooting for you, bro. Don't stop. Keep going. Amen. All this to say, I'll rather work hard and die than die not trying. Facts. All right, guys. And this is why I love... Fauci said thanks and love everyone. Guys, please like the stream and send some heart emojis. Okay, guys? Put some heart emojis in the... I don't know if you guys can do what I'm doing. I'm clicking the heart emoji thing at the side where it's just like putting hearts in the stream. All right? Do a couple of those for Fauci, please. Show him some love. He deserves it. All right, guys? And this is why I love our community. Guys, I'm so proud of you guys. I'll check the chat. Look, I'll just give you guys an example. I'll check the chat. People will be asking questions, sharing their setups, all for free. Everybody's helping each other. Shout out to Black Owl, by the way. I saw this morning. Fire trade. All right, everybody's sharing setups, helping each other. Our community is the best. You guys, by the way, if you guys see anybody bullying someone else or talking trash or making somebody else feel bad, let me know. This is not how our family works. This is not how our community works. Okay, we are the best community on YouTube. Everybody here is super supportive. We have a couple swing traders. We have a lot of scalpers. We have people who trade ICT, SMC, people who trade support and resistance, supply and demand. We have people who trade trend lines. People trade all sorts of stuff. But what we do in this community is we support each other. That's the number one thing. Everybody's always helping. K-Dot's always in there. Anti-Saco's always in there showing their stuff. Fauci's active every so often. Adib, Show. I see all of you guys in there and I'm proud of you guys and I love and respect each and every one of you guys. We're going to be doing a giveaway soon. You guys are all goated. In fact, let's play that clip real quick. Let's play that clip real quick. That's why I showed you guys my wife earlier on because you guys are literally like family. You guys are all goated.
The GOAT! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
You guys are all goated. Shout out to all of you guys. You guys are fire. Every single one of you guys. You guys are fire. All right. So, yeah, Marcus said, one big family. Oh, wait, I missed some up here. Okay. We all succeed in life, bro. Amen, Mr. R. Dean said for money. Appreciate you, Dean. Appreciate you. Respect 1,000. I respect each and every one of you guys. Thanks to Foreign for having some gems. Bro, this is what God does, bro. He helps us to help each other. That's all that it is. You know what I'm saying? Marcus, one big family. Anti-Saco put hearts. Shout out to all you guys. Yes, Marcus. Adib said, bro, the only person like the live is me. You guys, Adib said he's the only one liking the live, guys. Help him out. Blessings, Fauci show said for sure. Anti-Saco hearts. People are putting emojis. Shout out to all you guys. Goated for sure. You guys are the best. Well, you guys, one day when we reach bigger milestones, we're going to do great and better and mighty things. I promise we're going to do great things. Just stick with me, guys. Support me as much as I can. I'm trying my best to build stuff to help you guys out of my own pocket. You see what I'm saying? So support me as much as you can, guys. And we will make this community something special. Something special, man. This is absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. Shout out to all you guys. This is an amazing stream. Amazing stream. Amazing stream. Shout out to you guys. All of you. All right. So Fauci, I hope you're encouraged, not by the love and the support, not only by the love and the support from, our family and the foreign money family, but even with what we talked about. Just understand that your time will come, bro. Trust me. You're going to go through a lot of days you want to quit. You're going to go through a lot of days you want to give up. Just keep at it, bro. If you only keep going, there's no way you won't be a successful trader. You guys saw the other day we hit TP today. Just yesterday, I lost a trade. Just yesterday, I lost a trade, and today we made it back up. Look, it's right here. Okay, 130 lost, next day 230. This is life. Life is up and down, no matter how you spin it. Life is up and down. Okay, guys? But if you continue and don't give up, your days will come. Your days will come, guys, I promise. Okay? It took me a long time to get to where I'm at. Okay? And I genuinely, all that I ask God to do is to bless me to help people. That's all I want to do. I just want to help people. When my wife and I went to Africa, I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I'll just leave it at that. Okay? I enjoy helping people. I feel like that's why God put me here. So I hope that you guys are blessed from this. I'm really, really grateful to be part of you guys' relationships. I'm saying, I tell my wife all the time, I have the best supporters. You guys a lot of you guys like message me happy birthday in person. You know what I mean? Or in Instagram, or some of you guys even put it in the chat. Someone said, yo, happy birthday, African King. That got to be one of the hardest greetings ever. Fauci said, yo, shout out to you, Kobe. Happy birthday. Kobe is what my dad used to call me. It hits home. Appreciate you for calling me that. It even gets me emotional when I think about it. Shout out to you guys. Other people said, bro, happy birthday. I wish you I think Verd was like, I wish you nothing but the best. Shosho, I think, was the first one in there to be like, yo, happy birthday. I love each and every one of you guys, bro. I mean that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to do our best to build this thing. And God willing, this will become something amazing. God willing, this will become something amazing. I'm glad that our community is so well. Like, what I love about this before we like hop off is, even when we're not trading, we just have a good time. We chop it up, we laugh, we tell jokes, we play music. We are the littest, like the best live ever, bro. I promise you guys, we have the best live ever. Just because of the people. It's you guys that make it what it is. So I appreciate all you guys. I'm done with the sappy, emotional, heartfelt stuff, but I just want to tell you guys I really appreciate you guys. Facts, you deserve all this for doing what you're doing for us. I appreciate you, bro. I would do it 10 times over. I would do it 10 times over. I'm working super hard to build these things. It's just me. That's the only challenge. But I'm looking for talent. If I can find people to help me at a reasonable price, I will pay it out of pocket. You see what I'm saying? And then maybe in the future, we can set up some way for you guys to help support this. I don't need your money directly. I just need this thing supported. But we'll see. That's if I run into challenges. You see what I'm saying? So we'll see how it goes. But I appreciate you guys. You guys, I trade every day live for free. I show you guys my strategy for free. When I took this trade, you guys saw it's all for free. I don't ask nobody for $1. I don't ask nobody for a dime. My Discord is free. All my communities that I have is free. If I start a Telegram, it's going to be free. Everything is free because I love you guys, okay? So just all I ask in return is you guys support me. Watch the videos, guys, please. You know, I just got like one part of I'm not even monetized yet fully. I just hit like these thresholds, they're going to consider it. You guys watch the videos for me. Like the stream for me. That's all I ask. I'm not asking you guys for $1, nothing. I'm asking you guys to just support me. All right, guys. So, yeah, man. Shoot, I missed it. I'll rewatch it. Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. I'll leave it out there for you guys. So with that being said, guys, as much as I want to stay, I was supposed to be off here at 11 because I'm so behind and I got a lot of things to do. I'm going to say, guys, we're going to end it here today. But like I just said, love each and every one of you guys. Please, if you're new, join the Discord. It's literally the best family on YouTube. We have traders in there hitting 1 to 10s, 1 to 12s. You know what I mean? I trade every day live. My win rate right now, even though I'm taking bad trades, I'm still at a 60% win rate, according to what one of our members calculated. Join the Discord. It's free. Okay? Follow me at mymoneyforeign to see, you know, all the stuff we do. I'm going to be posting a reel literally after I get off this live, guys. So go watch that. Thank you, WStream and Star said thank you. All right. I love each and every one of you guys. We're going to do more of this. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'm so busy, but I'm going to see if I can game with you guys and go live on Sunday. I'm going to try. Okay. Maybe Saturday. Saturday is going to be jammed, but maybe one of these days just so we can kick it. You see what I'm saying? But we'll see. But long story short, guys, you guys have a wonderful weekend. Okay. You guys go out there and do great things. All of this is going to happen to all of you. You guys are here for a reason. You're here for a reason. All right, guys. Peace out. Everybody saying W. Peace out. Appreciate you guys. W, not just W stream, W chat, bro. Let me put that W chat. And W family. All right. You guys are the bomb.com. Honest to God, you guys are fire. All right, guys. So I'm going to be releasing the song as well tomorrow for Trading in the Hood. You know, we were making jokes about it, but it's our #1 single. So I'm going to release that tomorrow, right? Fauci said love and safety to the fam. For sure, guys. All you guys have a wonderful weekend. Be safe out there. Enjoy your time with your family, your loved ones, and keep grinding. God will make it so that all of you guys will go through, all right? Nobody here is an accident. It's all going to work out, I promise. Let's get it done, Marcus said. For sure. Have a good weekend, everybody. You guys take care. And until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, guys. Peace.